I shaved my head because why not? And I ordered a wig. I don't even know how to say this brand. Vikovko? I don't know. Super cheap, like 20 bucks. I'm not expecting much, but let's go ahead and check it out. Whoop! There it is! Ah! Pastel pink purple. That looks pretty. We've got the wig, and look at all the other fun stuff in this box. Oh my gosh. These lashes, insane! I have no idea how to wear false lashes, but wow. A personal note. Hi, it's my honor to serve you. Thanks so much for purchasing at our shop with my best wishes. I'm not sure, is that a tattoo? It's gorgeous. More tattoos, another tattoo, a wig cap. Now, I don't know if I need this. Is this only if you have long hair? I don't even know. I love all the little extras they send you. That's so cool. So it comes with 2 wig caps and they're basically like pantyhose. I don't know how to do this, so bear with me. Like I have a big on my head. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I mean, I don't even have anything to hold in here, so I don't know if this is necessary, or does it keep it from getting your oil, I guess, maybe from your hair. Oh yeah. Then it's time for the fun. Oh, this is so pretty. Ah! Comes with like this protective netting. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And then it's got this in there. And this is the inside. It's got like a little mechanism here to strap it on and tighten it. How do you put on a wig? There's the front. I feel like I'm wearing a cat or something. Ah, hair everywhere. Did I do this right? These are really, okay, no, I think it's gotta be up more. Oh, oh, guys. Oh. Oh my god, this is fun. Honestly, what do we think? What do we think? It's really fun. I love the color. I think it looks fake. Does it look fake? Maybe I need to play around with the bangs here. I wanted to get one with bangs because I thought if they don't have bangs, you're gonna see like the hairline and it's gonna be like even more fake. I guess they make them so long because then you can cut them. So fun! I feel like an anime character. It's not hot or itchy, I don't think. What do we think? It's super fun. I love the waves here. It feels nice. How's it look in the back? Is it thick enough? Let's see. How's it look? How's it look? I don't know. How's it look? I don't have the tightener on. And it doesn't come off my head, so that's a good thing. Oh my gosh. This is super fun wig. I am here for it. I don't wanna like cover up my hair all the time, but this is a fun way to switch it up. I love the color, I love the length, I love the waves and the bangs. I gotta figure out. What should I do with the bangs? Should I cut them? Should I just throw them all on the side? Like what are some wig tips that I need? Like how do you keep it clean? It's not human hair, obviously, for 20 bucks. It's synthetic hair. I love it. What do you love more? My beautiful pink purple hair or my shaved head? Leave a comment below. And also, if you have any wig tips, how to do this. Sharing is caring. Best 20 bucks I've spent on Amazon in a while. I kinda love it. I'll be doing regular updates as my hair grows out. I'm gonna be bleaching it soon. Stay tuned. Don't forget guys, it's just hair, so have some fun. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.